Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be working on an iPhone XR with a cracked screen. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this with the OEM grade screen, as well replace the water seal. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
I understood loneliness before I knew what it was. I saw the pills on your table for your unrequited love. Oh, I would be nothing without you holding me up. Now I'm strong enough for both of us, both of us, both of us, both of us. I am a giant. Stand up on my shoulders. Tell me what you see. 'Cause I am a giant. We'll be breaking boulders.
And we are done. So now we have a brand new iPhone XR with the OEM grade screen, along with the water seal, and everything looks great. All the screens come pre-tested. In 14 minutes and 38 seconds, as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, then it's free. If you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at AppTechPro and also Facebook at AppTechPro and our website as well. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just wanted to thank all of my customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I will see you guys soon.